Hello and welcome back to this course. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the autoboxing and unboxing. First of all, autoboxing. Converting a primitive value into an object of the corresponding wrapper class is called the autoboxing. For example, converting int to the integer class. This is called the autoboxing. And what is unboxing? Converting an object of the wrapper type to its corresponding primitive value is called unboxing. For example, conversion of the integer to the int. You can see in autoboxing, we are converting int to the integer, and in unboxing, we are converting integer to the int. So let's discuss about the autoboxing and unboxing in our NetBeans. Now, for example, I remove these lines from here. Now here, if I create an object like integer I1 equals to new integer, and I type here 10. So in this way, I have created the object of the integer class, and if I type here int I2 equals to I1 like this. So what we are doing, we are converting the integer to the int. We are unboxing the object. This is the unboxing. We are unboxing the object. You can see we are converting the object into the primitive, wrapper class into the primitive. And if I type here like int num equals to 5, and I type here integer I3 equals to new integer, and I type here num, I am doing the autoboxing. I am converting the int to the integer. Basically, I am converting the primitive into the object. You can see here. So this is the unboxing and this is the autoboxing. I hope you understand. So let's create a program that uses the autoboxing and unboxing, but this time we don't have to tell the compiler specifically about the autoboxing and unboxing. The compiler automatically use the autoboxing and unboxing. So I remove these lines from here, and I type here list integer and list equals to new array list and then integer. I have to import this class array list and also the list. Okay, so you may be confused with this line right now, but don't get messed with that. This is just, you can say this is an array. You can take this in an array, but when we'll discuss about the collection framework, you will definitely understand that both is an array list or a list. What we are doing in this line, here we are creating a list of elements of integer type and adding the int primitive type values to the list. And now I am going to start a for loop here. I just type here for int I equals to 0 and I less than 10, I plus plus, and in this body I type here list dot add I like this. This line is going to add all the value of the I in the list. First time the value of I is 0, so 0 is added in the list. Second time the value of I is 1, so I is added in the list, which is 1 basically. So now I am going to create the method, separate method in my autoboxing class. So I type here public static and void. Basically it returns the integer. So I type here int and then I type the name of the function. I type here even numbers sum like 10, and in the parameter I type list integer and a list. Okay, so I have just created the method with the name the even number class, and the parameter I have typed the list. As we pass the array, in the same way we can pass the list. List is nothing but just the collection of the data, you can say that. And now in the body of the function. First of all, I am going to create a variable here, int sum equals to 0. I initialize this variable with 0. And now I am going to use the enhanced for loop here. So I type here for integer I and the list, and then I have to add all the even numbers. So what I do, I type here if I modulus 2 equals to 0, then what to do, sum plus equals to I, okay, and at the end we just return the sum like this. Okay, so now I go to my main method. Outside this loop, I type here int result equals to, I call the method the name with the name even numbers sum. Okay, even numbers sum, and in the arguments I type here list like this, and simply system.out.println result. Okay, so now if I run this program, you can see 20, which is the right answer. We know that. Okay, so what is happening in this program, where we are using the autoboxing, unboxing, or what we are doing in this program? So you can see that first of all in this line, the first line, which is the list. Here we are creating a list of elements of integer type and adding the int primitive type values to the list, basically. And when we are, and then we have started the for loop, and we are adding the all the value of the I in the list, which are from 0 to 9 basically, 10 basically. And then we are creating the method with the name even number sum, and we have passed the list from the main method into this method. And then in this body I have created the variable int sum is equal to 0. And then I have started the enhanced for loop to transfer this list. And here, before the if, we are using the unboxing of I by compiler or automatically. And after that, when sum plus equals to 0, we are also using the unboxing. How we are using the unboxing? Now compiler is not taking this I as I. The compiler is taking this code as, you can see here, if I dot int value and then modulus 2 equals to 0. The compiler is taking this statement as this. In our previous videos in which we have discussed about the wrapper classes, I tell you about this method int value. So compiler is not using the I as it is. The compiler is taking the value from this integer. This function which will take values from the integer objects like this, we are taking from the integer I. So I dot int value, if you want to get value from this integer type reference, then I have to type here I dot int value, we know that. And then we are dividing or by 2, and we are evaluating our condition. And in the same way, sum plus equal to I, we are using the sum is equal to sum plus I dot int value. So in this way we are using the unboxing. So I hope you understand about the autoboxing and unboxing, and you see that how compiler is automatically using the autoboxing or unboxing. Basically in this program we are using unboxing automatically. So in this program we are just using the unboxing. You can see that compiler is automatically using unboxing technique for this code. I hope you understand. So if you feel any problem while understanding the autoboxing and unboxing, you can definitely ask me a question or message me. I will help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.